First, catch a crocodile. Level it up to level 40 to 45. And catch a ghost-type Pokemon. Use it first against Mewtwo. Like this. Mewtwo won't use a fighting-type move like Aura Sphere if you use a ghost-type first. Once your ghost-type Pokemon faints, finally use Crocodile. And Mewtwo won't be able to attack Crocodile at this point. Because Psychic-type moves don't work against Dark-type Pokemon like Crocodile. And now, keep using Foul Play on Mewtwo. However, if Mewtwo uses Disable on your Foul Play, start using Sandstorm for extra damage, and Flagger to confuse Mewtwo. And if he uses Psychic attack moves, use Torment, so he will keep using it on you. That it doesn't work on you. After using Torment, then keep spamming Foul Play when it's already usable. Every after 2 turns of him, follow it with Torment and Foul Play again. Keep doing it until Mewtwo's HPH run out. And that is how you can defeat Mewtwo from this cave. Thank you for watching. I hope you got it. Bye bye.